2 divided by 3 power 2 multiply 5. So how to solve this? You can see here in numerator 3 and denominator 3. Here you can also see in numerator 5 and denominator 5. So base are same. So we change the position of denominator number. When we change the position of denominator number toward numerator, so change the sign. So here we write here 3 power 3 and this 3 minus 2. Okay, because base is same, and multiply 5 power 2 minus 1, this 5 minus, okay, here 5 minus 1, here is 1 plus. Okay, so now 3 power 3 minus 2 is 3 power 1 multiply 5 power 1. So 3 multiply 5 is 15. So 15 is final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.